Hello, this is RM. Beside me is our dough sheeter, but the special one is we equip the special mold. As you can see, this is a round shape mold, but we can make the triangle and any other shape you like. Let me show you how to operate it. And this part is used to control the thickness of the dough from 0 to 4 centimeters. This one is used to control the direction of the belt. Pressed here, the belt will come to this direction, and if I press this one, and the belt will go to another direction. Here is the cover. This cover, if you lift it up, the belt will stop going and the machine will stop working. And our conveyor belt material is PVC. We also have an extra board, and our roller is made by stainless steel, food grade stainless steel. If you are interested in this machine, welcome, you contact us. See you!